Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Short from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny sketch, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we'll show you how to make it happen. Don't let your ideas stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube short from your PC. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage, as you can see if you already have an account, as I have, or you can just create an account by just linking your email address and you get started with youtube.com. So right now I will show you how you can upload or create your short videos. So firstly, you have just to create a vertical videos that's under 60 seconds. Sign into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags, including hashtag shorts. I will show you all the steps. You have just to stick around to watch this video until the end to more understand how you can create short videos very well. So then you have just to adjust the visibility settings to your preference, then click publish to share your content with the world after creating a video, and do all the things by using something, for example OBS for recording, for example, and other platform that could help you guys. So right now in this video I will just show you how you can create or upload a video from your PC right now. Then in our account, we will show you how you do the other steps, which is creating video, how you can record it, and other things. Right now, you have just to click over create and you click over upload video. Then you'll find other page, which is this one. As you can see, I will show you how you can upload your video from your PC. You have just to click over here to select files. We have drag and drop audio files to upload. Your video will be private until you publish them. Firstly, if you don't understand how it works with YouTube, you have just to read the terms of service and the community guidelines. It's important to read this information because he will just delete your video if you did a mistake. Alright, so right now I will just click over select files and you will find a page, which is this one, and I will just select here my videos and I will click over open. As you can see right now, I will just wait, and here we have the steps that you have to follow. Then you click over next and you create your or build your short videos. As you can see, firstly I will just here delete this one and I will add it here my title. For example, I will write test and I will add also here hashtag shorts, as you can see, and then I will just add also description, tell viewers about my video, and also I will just type and mention the channel here. And then here we have the option of thumbnail. Set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers attention. Then I will just upload a file, auto-generated, test and compare as well. Now about the playlist, I will just add my video to one or more playlists to organize my content for viewers. I will just select it, the correct playlist, and I will click over done once done. Then we have also the option of audience. Is this video made for kids or not? We have regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and or other laws. You are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. If it's yes, you click over yes. If it's no, you click over no, it's not made for kids. Also, you can add here age restriction if you want. You want to restrict your video to an adult audience. Here we have age restriction. You have just to select if it's a yes, restrict my video to viewers over than 80 years old. We have here no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over than 80 years old only. Alright, and the right, as you can see here, we have our videos, our short videos. As you can see here, we have the link. You have just to copy it and you share it with your friends. Then if we scroll down, we'll find here other options that you have to know. For example, paid promotion. If you want here, your video contains paid promotions like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement as well. Then we have here altered content. Do any of the following describe my content? If it's yes, I will select yes. If it's no, I will select no. Then we have also here automatic captures. You can just allow automatic captures on key moments. And also if we scroll down, we find here featured places if I will allow automatic places, then automatic concepts if I will allow automatic concepts. Then about text here can be useful as content in your video is commonly misspelled. I will just add a text if I want. Then also we have the language and caption certification. For example, I will just here select the language. As you can see, I will just scroll down and I will here select English. As you can see, English United States. Then I will just select here the caption. If this content has never aired on the television in the US, and we have here this content has only aired on the television in the US without captions, then we have it has not aired on US television with captions since September. And also we have other options. You can just select the one you want. Then we have recording date and location. If we have recording date, for example, I will select here the date and also a video location, and I will get started. Then we have your license here. Learn about here license. If I want here Creative Commons attribution standard YouTube license as well. Then we have allow embedding, publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers, and you have also here short remixing. I just create shorts using content from this video. I will just allow video and audio remixing if I want, or allow only remixing of, or don't allow remixing. As you can see, if we scroll down, we find here the category. Add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. For example, I will select here if it's the autos, vehicles, comedy, film animation, gaming, how to install music. We have news and politics, no profiles and activism as well. Then we have also here comments and ratings. As you can see, if I will just make it on or off, then we have sort by newest or the top. Then we have here show how many viewers like this video, as you can see. Then you will click over next. Then about video elements, we have here use cards and any end screen to show viewers related videos, view websites and calls to action. Then we have here add subtitles, and also we have here add cards, and I will just click over next. Then we have here checks. As you can see, we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video or your video. Then you click over next, and you'll find the last one, which is visibility. We have save or publish. Make your video publish listed or private. If you want private, only you and people you choose can watch your video, or we have here a listed. Anyone with the video link can watch my video, or we have public, everyone can watch my video, set as instant premium. As you can see, then you start publishing, as you can see. Then also we have here scheduled. If you want to just here select the date and the time zone of here a date or to make your video public. All right, then you get started and you click over schedule, and then you will find other page, which is this one, as you can see. And right now we have just to copy. This is the link, as you can see, and you get started right now. Here we have it, as you can see, right? So YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for creators looking to share their content and connect with a broader audience. By focusing on engaging, concise videos and staying consistent with your uploads, you can tap into current trends and enhance your visibility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And see you again in the next video. I hope this video has been the process, and I hope it has been fun, helpful. And see you again in the next video.